We made it to Puerto Rico. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. We're gonna wake up early. Well, maybe. Tonight we're gonna make like an actual plan. But today was really nice. Like, we got to just chillax. And we were at the beach. I don't even know how long. They're still staying on my face. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is day 2 in Puerto Rico, and right now we are walking to CVS to get a couple of items because we are gonna be hiking to a waterfall and probably even swimming and stuff. And then we're gonna go to Old San Juan today, which is like a tourist area, and so it's gonna be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for that. But I will see you guys when we get into the car and start driving there. Hey guys, quick update. We're eating granola bars for breakfast. And what? Oh, Zai's eating a Lunchable. And now we are driving to the, what is it called?
Rainforest. The rainforest.
Oh. I thought it was a much longer name than that.
You didn't want to try to say it?
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to the rainforest. It's like the waterfall hiking area. We are just eating, well, I'm eating Nature Valley bars. And our drive is like, yeah, about an hour, maybe a little less now, but I will see you guys when we get there. So excited.
What's up?
That is gorgeous.
That's the tower.
Oh my gosh.
Is that the tower?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we just got here and it is beautiful. I will put in those clips of us driving up here, but it is 8:03, so we are just on time. It opens at 8, and I mean, I can't say we're the first ones here.
We are the first ones.
But I bet we are the first ones here. And so we're going to be here like 8 to 11 at the least. But I'm so excited. Like, I'm not an outdoors person, but I'm getting ready for this. This is going to be so pretty. Stay tuned for pictures and everything because it is beautiful.
There's a waterfall right there.
Oh, look at that waterfall. It's so pretty.
I would love to work at a national park.
And she's unlocking the gate for us. Look how pretty that waterfall is. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, just wait, guys. The lady was struggling, but Zaya and another man helped, and now the gate is open, so we should be good to go in a moment. Yay! Y'all, look how pretty it is just outside my window. Look how cute. Like, yeah. We in this place. Y'all, I'm so ready for this. Look at that waterfall. I think I just missed it.
But do we want to take a picture?
It's really up to you guys.
I screenshotted one, so I think
Yeah, we should be good. But you guys, I'm so ready for this. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so pretty. And I will tell you guys right now, it was like $2 per car.
Oh, this tower.
So y'all need to come here. I'm pretty sure I took a video or picture of the name, but I'll put it in like down here somewhere. Look how pretty it is. Like, y'all, tell me that's not a good view. Tell me that's not a good view. Dalery. So pretty. We're here. Oh my gosh, look at this view. Oh, I'm in your way. I'm sorry, Zaya. Look at this view, guys. In the tower. Look how pretty this view is. Like, look at that tower. Y'all, I'm so excited. The sun is out. It's bright. I'm feeling amazing. Oh, it's the El Yun Q National Forest. I know I said that wrong, but it's that national forest. So we just stopped there.
It's the only national rainforest in the States. Well, in America.
Yes, because it's a U.S. territory. So every time I say out of the country, I'm out of the States, but I'm not.
You're in a different country.
I guess that's true. Also, if my camera's messing up right now, I sprayed it with bug spray, so I'm pretty sure that's why it looks so weird. But yeah, we're gonna drive up to the area where we can park, so that we can hike to a tower. And then there's like 2 waterfalls that are open, or 3 waterfalls that were open, so we may go to a couple of those, or at least one, and swim.
Yes.
But stay tuned. I will see you guys in a little bit. We're on the, oh my gosh, look up there.
Oh wow.
What's at the very top?
Yeah.
Well,
There's like a building.
that might be the peak.
Maybe.
Or that might be the trail that's closed.
Yeah, she said one was closed due to like repairments or whatever. This is so pretty. And the palm trees.
Ashlynne.
Y'all, look at this view. Look at the view, so beautiful. It's a whole new world. Hey guys, so you guys saw the beautiful view. Y'all, it looks so surreal. Like, people are gonna see these pictures and be like, Ashlynne, you know this was Photoshopped. Like, no, sweetheart. Yeah, I know the sun is like so pretty. Okay, but we just went to Mount Britain, right? Or yeah, something like that. And now we're gonna go to a waterfall and swim and have some fun. So I will see you guys when we get there. Hey guys, so we stopped before the waterfall to go to the Rainforest Cafe, and they already got their smoothies, but I'm gonna get mine in a little bit. Mine's the pina colada with strawberry, and I also got a beef empanada. What did you guys get? What is it called? Hold on, let me see your receipt real quick.
Yeah,
I have to look at it and say it.
Is it okay? Where is it?
It's on the whole.
Alcaparilla.
Alcaparilla.
Yeah, that's how you say it. And hopefully that's really good. And then the smoothies. What smoothie did you get?
I don't know. Are you showing me?
Yes, I am.
Mango froscac.
Mango and strawberry. And then Saya, what kind did you get?
Passion strawberry.
Oh, so now we're just waiting on our food and stuff. So I'm so excited, and it feels so good right now.
Wow, this is perfect post hike.
Just got my smoothie and it looks so pretty. Mine's really good. It has an aftertaste though. I gotta get used to. And it's really fresh. I'm getting a brain freeze. I got my empanada, my beef empanada. I'm gonna try it on camera. Hold up. Okay. Oh, it is really hot. It's fresh. And it's big. I was expecting it to be small. Look at this, y'all. Oh, what's the best way to eat this?
I don't know, girl.
I'm gonna do it.
I would
Zaya's doing.
I would tear a little bit.
You think I should tear it?
Air. Maybe not in half. I don't know if you can. But just like a little bit.
I don't think I can. It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Don't spill yourself either. I'll try it.
Okay, that's not much, but I'm gonna try it with the sauce. She says guava sauce with cinnamon. Oh, it's ew.
I can smell
sticky.
That's funny.
That's actually really good.
I bet.
It tastes like I didn't get a lot of meat in it, but it tastes like a churro type thing, like cinnamon and fried like bread. That didn't get a lot of beef in it. This empanada and the smoothie filled me up. Plate's done. Daily's is almost done. Yeah, it's like guava sauce or guava with cinnamon is what she said. And it's so good. I like it because I don't like chicken and waffles and stuff. Like savory and sweet, just it doesn't always go together for me. But it was so good. And now we're gonna go to the waterfall in a little bit, like when everybody's done and we're ready to move on. Excuse me. That was so good. And now I'm really full. Like actually, that's nice. Found the waterfall. It's really loud, but I'm gonna insert pictures and all of that. We're just laying out now. Okay, y'all, now I'm sweating. It's hot. Okay, we were just at the waterfall. Now we are gonna drive to Old San Juan, which is like a touristy area. And it's supposed to have like really pretty streets and stuff to take pictures at. But y'all, that waterfall was so nice. It was so pretty. And we actually got to like get in and take pictures. And it was really nice. Ooh. And it was really nice. And it felt amazing outside. Now I'm just getting a little sweaty because I have my clothes on. Oh, dealer, your book's still back there. Let me see if I can get it. Hold on. You want me to leave it back there?
I don't have to get it, but
it's fine. Yeah, I'm a little lightheaded right now. I don't know why. I think it's just like dehydration. But I'm gonna drink some water, and then yeah, we're gonna go to Old San Juan. Guys, I was not gonna vlog on the drive there, but I just have to say, I know it's because Puerto Rico is a U.S. territory, and that's why there's so many like U.S. places and stuff, but they have a Starbucks, a Panda Express, a Chuck E. Cheese, a Krispy Kreme, yes, they have Wendy's, and they have like McDonald's, Taco Bell. Like they have all of the like big franchises and stuff, but like some of them are actually shocking, like AutoZone. Like, I don't even know, y'all. I just had to say that. Like, it's crazy to see all these places and be like, wow, they have that.
all of our phone days.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We'll figure it out.
It's close to the Starbucks.
Hey guys,
I feel like we'll be able to
so
find the car.
we just ate at some place. It was like Don Taco or something.
Don't ever go if you're here.
Yeah, they just had really bad service. Like, we're not paying attention to us at all. And y'all, look at these pigeons. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid of animals, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, just oh. Oh y'all, that whole area just scares me. I don't do animals. But we are now gonna walk to historical places and take pics. Goodness, that is so funny. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so my phone died as we were walking, but we basically just walked around and took a bunch of pictures, and now we're just chilling. We're gonna go to bed soon because we gotta go super early. Well, they gotta go super early to drop me off at the airport because my plane leaves at 4 something in the morning, like 4:45 or something, so I gotta be there at like 2:45. And before I end this, I did want to tell you guys, this is my favorite snack. It's almost gone. Taylor doesn't want me to act like I know Spanish, but we're gonna try it again. Cebolitas. Yeah, cebolitas. They are kind of like a Funyun, but they definitely have more of the onion powder, like way more. It's almost like a Cheeto Puff, like has that much like powder, and it's like that texture, like it's really thick. And then I also got Fiesta. They're like whoopie pies. They were good. And then, oh, this pineapple juice is really good. And then I also have a guava one that we haven't tried yet, but we're gonna try that next. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It may end up being 2 videos. I don't know how much footage I got, but I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure your post notifications are turned on so that you know when I post, and bye. Hey guys, so just a little addition. I also tried this guava one, and it is so good. It's definitely, the pineapple one had a very strong aftertaste. This one's really good and doesn't have that bad of an aftertaste. It's also much sweeter, but this is really good. And I'm gonna we tried this. It's Malta India. I know that's probably the widest version to say it. It looks like this, these little cans, which also everything, well, not everything, because I mean my juice cans are not like that, but a lot of stuff is like this. Like I had a Sprite earlier that was like a taller version of this. It's so cute. But it tasted disgusting. Like I barely took a drink because they tried it before me, and it was so bad. Like I don't know what makes it so bad. Where are the ingredients? It says a non-alcoholic malt beverage made with water, cane sugar, barley malt, select grains, hops, caramel color, and phosphoric acid.
It's probably that.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. It tasted disgusting, and my sister bought a 6-pack, which was not the smartest.
They didn't have a 1-pack.
They really didn't, because these were like 79 cents a piece. So that's why I got 2. And then Zaya got like a box or a carton of juice. And then these came in only a 6-pack. But yeah, that's the rest of the food. I mean, almost 2. I may do like another video talking about all the foods and stuff. May not, I don't know. But yeah, most of the food here wasn't that bad. Like honestly, it was actually pretty good. Like the foods I tried that weren't from the US, like the States. My sister is mocking me right now, but yeah, that's just a little addition to this vlog.